So hey everyone, this is Janvi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in this video we are going to discuss the chapter number 6, that is lines. Lines and angles. So first of all, in this video I am going to give you the intro of this chapter, and as usual in the previous video I have shared you all the videos. If not, you are not able to find any video, then please comment it in my comment box. And after that, first of all, let us start this. So lines and angles. So in this chapter, as you know, lines and angles, what we are going to study about that. So as you know, in this chapter we are having lines and angles, means going to study about lines and going to study about different kinds of angles. So lines, you have studied in your class 7 or in your class 8, you have studied the various types of lines that are present in our daily life. And the first thing is, like we can say, what is line, what is lines is, and what is angle is. So what is line? Line is a line which is having no endpoints, which can be terminated infinitely, because we are not able to stop a line. And in line segments we are having two words, line and line segments. So what are these two things? Okay, we have to discuss that what are these two things are. So line segment, what is it? Line segment is the line which we are having the two endpoints at the end. Okay, we are having the two endpoints in the line segment, but in line we are having no lines endpoints. It can be terminated as longer as you want. It can be terminated like this. Okay, and it can be terminated from where to there, it can be terminated. So we are not having any other decisions. We can edit line and it is infinitely, it can be strings. And what is line segment? Line segment are having the two line segments are having two end points. Okay, like this, they are having two end points. We are having the fixed place that from here to here the line segment will be drawn. Okay, now let us go to another page for this. So for that, let us having a new page. Now in it, first of all, line is a line in which we are having no endpoints and it can be terminated as much as we want. And what is line segment? Line segment is the line which are having the two endpoints. Okay, now the next thing is ray. So what is ray? Ray is the line which is having one endpoints, and on the other side we can terminate as much as we can. And if we say that denote AB as a line, then what you will write? That AB is a line. Will you write it like this? No, so this is the wrong way. You will write it like A, B and this dash. Okay, now if we say denote AB as line segment, so A, B, then line, and in the last point we will give a end point. So they will get a information that we are going to talk about line segment. Okay, we will give a end point, and over here you will give a arrow mark. Okay, if you are drawing any line, then we must have to give a end arrow to any line, and if you are drawing the line segment, give a end point. Now if I say denote AB as the ray, then AB, then the symbol of ray. Okay, this much I hope so this is clear to you. Now next thing, what is ray? Ray is the line which is having one end point. Okay, now the other thing that we are going to discuss, and that is ray we have discussed. Now we are having the angles. Okay, going to discuss about angles. So let us discuss about angles. What are they? So angles, if we talk about angles, so there are the various types of angles that in our life. First of all, first angle, if we talk about acute angle. So acute angle is the angle which is less than 90 degree and greater then 0 degree. Okay, so 0 degree, greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. Okay, this mark let me go. So greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree. So this is the 90 degree line. Just imagine that this is the 90 degree line that I'm drawing over here. This is the 90 degree line. Just wait. Yes, this is the angle. Okay, and I am having a line like this. So this is a line of 90 degree. Just imagine it. Just imagine that this is a line of 90 degree and I'm going to draw an angle like this. So this is your 90 degree angle and this is your 45 degree angle. Okay, so I have drawn an angle of 45 degrees. So it is less than 90 degree and greater than 0 degree. So if any angle is greater than 0 degree and less than 90 degree, so it called be as acute angle. Okay, clear? Let us take a screenshot for this. Now after that, what happened? Now this thing is clear to you. I hope so this thing is clear to you. Now next thing that we are going to do is obtuse angle. Now it's obtuse angle. Now what is obtuse angle is? We are reading this thing. We are going to do a basic things. You have done all the things earlier in your classes. So obtuse angle. Obtuse angle is the angle which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. Just a wait. So let me take an angle which is of 120 degree. Okay, just imagine it. It's not a fair figure I am going to show you. It's just a rough figure. So this is 120 degree and this like to be 120 degree. So it is less than 180 degree and it is greater than 90 degree. It is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. So an angle which is less than 90 degree, which is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, so it is called as obtuse angle. This much clear? I hope so. It's really easy peasy for you. So this thing should be clear to you. Now next thing is obtuse angle. We have done acute angle, right angle. Okay, in this video we will do about right angle. Next angles we will discuss in the another video. So right angle is the angle which is the angle, the measure of the angle is 90 degree. The angle which is having the measure of 90 degree, which it's known as right angle. Okay, just liking to be a very much. Okay, just a wait. Yes, so right angle. So what is right angle? Right angle is the angle which is having a measure of 90 degree. That angle is known as right angle. And in this you have already read about hypotenuse and most thing you have read about right angle. Okay, so this much we are going to do in this video. In the another video we will see about the other angle, like what is transversal angle and what is transversal line, what is corresponding angles, what are like so many angles that we are going to see. Okay, so in the next video we will see many of the angles like adjacent angles and so many others. Okay, so meet you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. This is by Janvi.